Wind Up, award-winning animated short film by, I'm guessing, Unity? I'm not gonna lie, this animation is not that bad. It's not that bad. It's got the playful Pixar animation, but it's not overly done to where it looks realistic. It's just done with just the bare minimum. Oh my gosh, I don't even know if that picks up, but another bug got zapped. But yeah, I like this. I like this. It's very, and it was just only a few shots, and I'm like, oh, that actually looked good. Wind Up. Music box. Oh, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. It was, no, 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 no. This is difficult. This is difficult. This is difficult. And I don't even have kids. Well, sorry, Bolt. Sorry, Shadow. I have four-legged children. I have four-legged children. But yeah, this is sad. This is sad. You have that playful moment with the child. Like, the thing that got me worried is when the child ran away and the father's still in the closet. I mean, in my head, I was like, you're going to allow the child to run around unsupervised? That's dangerous. Only for the next scene to be this. It's just, oh. At least you know it's not his fault, hopefully. Single parent. She's in her own dream world. Okay. I have a bad feeling. It's like one thing, one of two things is going to happen. She's going to wake up and like maybe her father will be ill at that point, or so much time will have passed and she's lived her childhood continuously in her coma due to her father constantly playing the instrument. She constantly is able to live in her imaginary world. By the time she wakes up, she's many years have passed. Many years have passed, and that'll be absolutely tragic. Because you see how much stuff she's done. Now, if it just falls apart, those aren't that difficult to fix. Those aren't that difficult to fix. It's if something snaps, that's when it's impossible to fix. Hopefully nothing snapped. that is sweet. That is absolutely sweet. Like absolutely sweet. I gotta say that was. Oh, well done, well done. I was thinking it was gonna be more drastic. What a father sacrifices for their child. It is a bit of that, but imagine sacrificing years, decades for a child who's been in a coma for a period of time. How the child got to that point, we're not supposed to know, but yeah, that's powerful. That's powerful. It's all about the music she enjoyed. He constantly kept it on loop for her, so that way she could sleep peacefully. That way she could relax. That was a tough one. That was a tough one. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
You guys get the video? It's so bad.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wait like that.